Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.0802 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.0793, $0.0816. The earlier day close: $0.0813. The change was 0.0011, 1.35%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Doge. Dogecoin figure for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.091. Excessive cost $0.113, while low cost $0.091. The normal for the month $0.100. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.106, change for April 16.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2024. To start with, cost at $0.106. Exorbitant cost $0.125, while low cost $0.106. The normal for the month $0.114. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.117, change for May 10.4%. Dogecoin figure for June 2024. Before all else cost at $0.117. Excessive cost $0.126, while low cost $0.110. The normal for the month $0.118. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.118, change for June 0.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.118. Excessive cost $0.132, while low cost $0.114. The normal for the month $0.122. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.123, change for July 4.2%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at $0.123. Exorbitant cost $0.153, while low cost $0.123. The normal for the month $0.136. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $0.143, change for August 16.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.143. Exorbitant cost $0.156, while low cost $0.136. The normal for the month $0.145. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.146, change for September 2.1%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at $0.146. Excessive cost $0.161, while low cost $0.140. The normal for the month $0.149. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end $0.150, change for October 2.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at $0.150. Exorbitant cost $0.166, while low cost $0.144. The normal for the month $0.154. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.155, change for November 3.3%. Dogecoin gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at $0.155. Exorbitant cost $0.168, while low cost $0.146. The normal for the month $0.157. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $0.157, change for December 1.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for January 2025. To start with, cost at $0.157. Exorbitant cost $0.174, while low cost $0.152. The normal for the month $0.162. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.163, change for January 3.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for February 2025. At the outset cost at $0.163. Excessive cost $0.202, while low cost $0.163. The normal for the month $0.179. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.189, change for February 16.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for WAC 2025. Before all else cost at $0.189. Excessive cost $0.211, while low cost $0.183. The normal for the month $0.195. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.197, change for spring 4.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for April 2025. At the outset cost at $0.197. Excessive cost 0.219, while low cost 0.191. The normal for the month $0.203. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.205, change for April 4.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at $0.205. Excessive cost 0.255, while low cost 0.205. The normal for the month $0.226. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.238, change for May 16.1%. Dogecoin gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at $0.238. Exorbitant cost 0.256, while low cost 0.222. The normal for the month $0.239. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.239, change for June 0.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place cost at $0.239. Exorbitant cost 0.239, while low cost 0.200. The normal for the month $0.2. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.215, change for July 10.0%. Dogecoin gauge for August 2025. To start with cost at $0.215. Exorbitant cost 0.236, while low cost 0.206. The normal for the month $0.220. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $0.221, change for August 2.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.221. Exorbitant cost 0.221, while low cost 0.173. The normal for the month $0.200. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.186, change for September 15.8%. Dogecoin conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at $0.186. Excessive cost 0.186, while low cost 0.145. The normal for the month $0.168. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end $0.156, change for October 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.156. Excessive cost 0.156, while low cost 0.134. The normal for the month $0.148. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end $0.144, change for November 7.